The wait is almost over. OnePlus is about to introduce their first fold phone to be called as OnePlus Open. Here are some official marketing renders of OnePlus Open shared by a German website named WinFuture. However, this device isn't going to launch in Germany. Brand has already started teasing their upcoming phone on social media, and we may see official announcement of launch very soon. So far as the leaks are concerned, OnePlus may officially announce this device on 19th of this month. That means almost a week or a day more. This fold phone is identical to Oppo Find N3 Fold, which is going to launch in China very soon. This device might launch with price tag between 1500 to 1700 US dollars, which is really aggressive as per me. What do you think about pricing, and do you really think that this fold phone from OnePlus could be the perfect rival of Samsung Fold phones? Share your thoughts in comment section below, and for more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. Have a look on the official marketing renders.